Wilson, Marlette, Michigan, and we're combining wheat today. This is the first day of wheat run, and we're doing some experimental 15-inch row wheat on the Wilson farm. Now, Howard planted this wheat at the same population as 7.5-inch row wheat, and if you look at the straw that he's baling up behind it, he's getting about the same straw yield with the 15-inch row wheat. Downfall with 15-inch row wheat that we can see so far is weed control. If we had Roundup Ready wheat, this system would work pretty good. Got her calibrated now. Give you a shot of the yield monitor. If I can hold it steady enough. Saying 86, 84, 83, 89. Not too bad for 15-inch row wheat. Here's a shot of Bruce over here running the baler right behind the combine.